For well over 3 decades, VP Asphalt Paving has been proudly serving both residents and businesses throughout New Haven County, Connecticut. From the peaceful streets of Cheshire to the upscale neighborhoods of Woodbridge, our commitment to quality asphalt paving and repair services has earned us the trust of homeowners and businesses alike. Owned and operated by Victor Pagona, we take pride in being a licensed, bonded, and insured company that brings peace of mind to every project. If your driveway in Hamden has seen better days, or the parking lot at your business in Orange is riddled with cracks, we're here to help. Our team specializes in asphalt crack filling and seal coating, protecting surfaces from harsh New England weather, oil stains, and daily wear and tear. In Bethany and Middlebury, we've worked with countless homeowners to deliver long-lasting gravel driveway repairs and installations that hold up year after year. In the very active community of Naugatuck and the historic streets of Ansonia, our asphalt paving and resurfacing services provide outstanding results for both residential and commercial customers. Whether you need a brand new driveway installation in Beacon Falls or meticulous asphalt repairs in Southbury's Heritage Village, VP Asphalt Paving has the expertise and equipment to get the job done right the first time and on budget. We understand that asphalt projects require precision and planning. That's why, for businesses in Seymour and Oxford, we offer services like cold milling and asphalt overlays to restore deteriorating parking lots without the need for a complete overhaul. Are dangerous and unsightly potholes causing issues in Union City or Darby? Let our team get rid of those holes and bring your pavement back to top condition with fast and effective repair solutions. Driveway seal coating is another area where we excel, extending the life of your asphalt pavement and keeping it looking sharp. From Waterbury to Wolcott, homeowners and businesses trust us to provide cost-effective solutions for all their paving needs. We also offer custom options like asphalt street aprons, curbing, and parking area line striping to add convenience and improve the look of your property. In Prospect, VP Asphalt Paving is the go-to choice for dependable service and professional results. Our skilled team handles everything from driveway extensions to parking lot resurfacing, always delivering quality you can rely on for quite some time. No matter the size or complexity of your project, our goal is to deliver New Haven County residents and commercial businesses with paving solutions that last for years to come. Contact VP Asphalt Paving today for a free estimate and let us transform your driveway, parking lot, or gravel driveway into a surface you can depend on. Ready to get started? Contact VP Asphalt Paving today for a free no-obligation estimate. Give us a call at 203-819-7414 or visit our website at vpasphaltpaving.com to learn more about our services and schedule an appointment. You can also email us with any questions or details about your project by completing our website form. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is here to answer your questions and provide expert recommendations. Let us show you why we're the trusted driveway paving and repair experts in New Haven County.